If you are working with Power BI, Azure, or data engineering, you might have already heard about Microsoft Fabric, but many people are still confused about what exactly Microsoft Fabric is and why Microsoft introduced it. In this video, I will explain Microsoft Fabric in very simple terms. Before Microsoft Fabric, working with data was not simple. We had different tools for data ingestion, data engineering, data science, and for reporting. For example, Azure Data Factory for ingestion, Synapse for engineering, and Power BI for reporting. Each tool had its own storage, security, and building, which made things more complex. To overcome this, Microsoft has introduced Microsoft Fabric for end-to-end analytics platform. It combines data ingestion, data engineering, data science, real-time analytics, and Power BI into one single platform. Instead of using multiple tools, Microsoft Fabric provides everything in one place. At the center of Microsoft Fabric is something called OneLake. OneLake is a single unified data lake for the entire organization. All Fabric workloads like data engineering, data science, and Power BI use the same storage so that it removes data duplication and improves performance. Microsoft Fabric is not just one tool. It includes multiple workloads such as data engineering, data factory, data science, data warehouse, real-time analytics, and Power BI. Each workload is designed for a specific role, but all of them work together seamlessly. Microsoft Fabric is useful for many roles. If you are a Power BI developer, data engineer, data analyst, or Azure professional, or even if you are learning, Fabric will be very much beneficial. Even beginners can start learning Fabric because it simplifies many complex concepts. Microsoft Fabric is the future of analytics in the Microsoft ecosystem. Many organizations are already adopting Fabric because it reduces cost and complexity. Learning Microsoft Fabric now can give you a strong career advantage in the coming years. In this channel, I will be creating step-by-step videos on Microsoft Fabric, Power BI, and data engineering. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to DK Data Engineering. Let's learn Microsoft Fabric together.